Hey, Ryan from Combat Off-Road. I'm going to unbox some JK Full Assault front fender set. So that's going to be part number 15-1076. And I'm doing it from the driveway because it's hot and sunny here. So basically we're going to have 6063 aluminum, high UV low powder coat, all the hardware, mounting hardware, stainless steel, 3/16. Removable customizable logo. And you're going to get the LED lights included. So that's a 2-wire light for the JK. All right. So T is for totally packed. Reminds me of Sesame Street. I got some mountains here. You guys can give these to the kids, color them. You can make like a skateboard jump, dirt bike jump, whatever you want. Well, we take packaging seriously because we want your stuff to come super nice. And I didn't bring a knife yet. So, knife, woo. I don't think it needs oil. So basically this is going to be the hardware. Let me see the best place to open that. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to swap this around a little bit. So you're going to have everything you need. Install. Nut certs are a big deal. That's going to be your little 2-wire lights. You're just going to mount those onto the existing wiring. This is going to be braces left and right. And I'll open these anyways because our old Jeep here is behind us. Had that for a while, since 2012. So we're going to freshen all up with our products and a whole bunch of partner products. And we'll do a whole bunch of videos for that too. So you'll be able to check out all that stuff. So these are going to be mounting reinforcements for the tops. And the bottoms. So keep those fenders rigid. Okay. So I'm going to move that and that. So that's everything you need for hardware. And let's open some fenders. Okay. So I'm going to try not to scratch anything. But if I do, I know where to get another set. But everything's always double bubble packed. Not the gum. So it should be all good. Let's see what we got here. Yep, there we are. So JK Fender, you know, all TIG welded spots. We got lots of bracing to make it rigid. Everything's all laser cut. Everything was 3D scanned, so it's gonna fit. I randomly took out the right one on the right side. That's funny. Obviously this isn't installed, but there you go. So that's what you're gonna get. There's the logo. And then our logos are all laser cut, but they're all studded. So all you gotta do is undo those little nuts. And then you can take it off and paint any color you want, or you can leave it black if you just want that murdered out look. So obviously this is the exact same, but we can open it up. All right, so there you go. Same thing, nice thick top plate, thick tube wall, logo, all our TIG welds. Everything's good to go. Looks great. So that's it. All aluminum fender, all stainless steel hardware, lights included, removable logo to theme paint. And that's what you get. So we're excited to throw those on here. That'll be another video, and we'll have a full instruction video too. Okay, thanks.